I want to talk about acne. So like most teenagers, I suffered with pimples and breakouts for a while. And what's really frustrating is that in my 40s, I am also suffering from hormonal breakouts. So I'm reminded of the impact it has on your self-confidence. And I'm also reminded of it because Max, my son, is now 11 and it's all happening earlier. Like he's already experiencing the first signs of breakouts. He sees things on TikTok and, asks me about different products. He's like, Mom, I want to glow up. Skin B5 sent me their products, which I thought were really interesting because they have a really inside out approach to acne. Vitamin B5, which is basically helps reduce the oil production in the skin. These are vitamins that have B5, vitamin A, zinc, folic acid, and biotin. So it's a perfect combination to really decrease the oil production and help clear the acne from within. They've also got the cleanser with B5 green tea and aloe vera, and the moisturizer with B5 jojoba, aloe vera, and vitamin E. So it's kind of a full suite, but without being complicated. What I really liked about this brand is that they are looking at the psychological effects of skin, and they've got a campaign called Clearer Skin, Brighter Future. It's really a rallying, a call to give them the confidence to perform at their absolute best, which is a beautiful message. So I'll put all the details below.